may demonstrate a safety feature of our 75 aircraft. Your attention.
Here we go.
Hello everyone. Thank you for your attention. It's time to get you ready for takeoff. We know you have lots of choices, so thanks for choosing American. We're happy to be your airline. Now if you'll just follow along with me, we'll be on our way. Welcome aboard. Before we depart, here are some important safety instructions. First things first, let's buckle those belts. Insert the metal end into the buckle and pull the strap to tighten. To open, simply lift on the top of the buckle. And remember, seatbelts should be fastened whenever you're seated, just in case of unexpected turbulence. To get us on our way, make sure your seat is up, all electronic devices are put away, and your tray table is stowed. If you have a carry-on, push it all the way under the seat in front of you. If it won't fit, place it in the overhead bin. If you have a handheld device, please switch it to airplane mode now. You'll find our full electronic device policy in the back of your American Way. U.S. law prohibits smoking, including electronic cigarettes, at any time. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in the lavatories may result in a fine. U.S. law requires all to comply with lighted and posted signs and crew member instructions. Now let's review the safety card. Please pay close attention, and before you know it, we'll be off. All exits on this airplane are clearly marked. Take a moment to locate the nearest one. Keep in mind, it may be behind you. All exits have evacuation slides to use in an emergency. When directed to exit, jump onto the slide and move away from the airplane. Some slides may also be used as a raft, except those over the wings. On this airplane, there are additional rafts located in ceiling compartments. You'll find the exact location on your safety card. This aircraft is designed with escape lighting on or near the floor. A sign will indicate you have reached your exit. In the event of an evacuation, escape hatch lighting will appear. Follow the lights until you've reached your exit. Leave all carry-ons behind, just head quickly and safely to the nearest exit, and don't forget, it may be behind you. Now, if the airplane loses pressure, oxygen masks will drop automatically. While remaining seated with your seatbelt fastened, grab the closest mask and pull down. The yellow cup goes over your nose and mouth like so. Then slip the band over your head and tighten by pulling the straps on either side. Just breathe. Even if the plastic bag doesn't inflate, oxygen is flowing. And remember to always put your own mask on first before helping others. Life vests are located either under, next to, or between your seats. To remove the vest, pull the tab or compartment handle to break the seal. For help locating them, see your safety card. Remove the vest from the package like this. Put the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, attach the buckle, and pull tight. Once outside, hold the tab to inflate your vest or blow into the red tube on the side. In the water, a light on your vest will illuminate. And please, only inflate your vest outside the airplane. The crew will now be coming around to do a final cabin check. After takeoff, we'll be back with more information. And if you need anything, don't hesitate to ask. As always, we're here to make your flight great. Because great is what we're going for.
Hola a todos. Gracias por su atención. Es hora de prepararlos para el despegue. Sabemos que tienen muchas opciones, así que gracias por elegir American. Estamos encantados de ser su compañía aérea. Ahora, si me acompañan, nos pondremos en marcha. Lo primero, abrochémonos los cinturones de seguridad. Inserten el extremo de metal en la hebilla y ajusten tirando de la correa. Para abrir, Basta con levantar la parte superior de la hebilla. Y recuerden, los cinturones deben estar abrochados siempre que estén sentados, para el caso de turbulencias inesperadas. Para que podamos despegar, comprueben que su respaldo esté en posición vertical, que sus dispositivos electrónicos estén guardados y que su mesa esté plegada. Si tienen equipaje de mano, colóquenlo bajo el asiento delantero. Si no encaja, colóquenlo en el compartimento superior. Si tienen un dispositivo portátil, pónganlo ahora en modo avión. Encontrarán nuestra política de uso de dispositivos electrónicos en la contratapa de American Way. Fumar, incluyendo cigarrillos electrónicos, está prohibido en todo momento. Manipular, inutilizar o destruir los detectores de humo puede dar lugar a una multa. La legislación de Estados Unidos exige que se respeten letreros y señales luminosas cada vez que vuelan. Ahora veamos las instrucciones de seguridad. Presten mucha atención y antes de darse cuenta, despegaremos. Todas las salidas del avión están claramente marcadas. Tómense un minuto para localizar la más cercana. Tengan presente que puede estar detrás de ustedes. Por favor, disfruten de su vuelo y gracias por elegir American.
Once again, we thank you for your attention. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy our flight to Dallas Fort Worth.
Flight attendants, please prepare for takeoff.
us at American Airlines, thank you for flying with us today. A special welcome to Advantage and One World members. If you are not an Advantage member, you can sign up at aa.com/join to earn miles for today's flight and continue earning miles with our retail and travel partners. Our Advantage Aviator Red World Elite MasterCard is another great way to earn miles for everyday purchases and enjoy benefits such as your first check bag free and preferred boarding. We've also introduced new benefits, including a companion certificate good for one guest and up to $25 back on in-flight Wi-Fi purchases. Not an Aviator card member? Ask your flight attendant for an application and receive an exclusive offer in-flight today. Shortly, we will begin our in-flight service. We offer a selection of complimentary beverages